Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize customer service in bustling environments, the Retekess TD157 restaurant pager system. This isn't just another gadget. It's a comprehensive solution designed to streamline operations and enhance the customer experience in places like food trucks, bars, and busy food courts. The first thing that stands out about the Retekess TD157 is its capacity. With 16 individual pagers included, it's perfectly suited for establishments that handle a significant volume of customers. Imagine a busy lunch rush at a food court or a packed evening at a bar. Instead of shouting names or having customers hover, they can simply take a pager, relax, and be notified discreetly when their order is ready. This system effectively eliminates long queues and reduces perceived wait times, leading to happier patrons and a more organized workflow for staff. One of the most impressive features of this system is its remarkable 984-foot-long range. This isn't just a number, it translates into practical benefits for various business models. For a food truck operating in a large open area, customers can wander quite a distance without losing connection. In a sprawling food court, patrons can find a comfortable seat anywhere and still receive their alert. Even bars with outdoor seating areas or multiple rooms will find this extended range incredibly useful, ensuring no customer is out of reach. This robust connectivity is a game changer for maintaining efficient communication across larger spaces. Now, let's talk about the alert mechanism. The Retekess TD157 operates with a clear beeping sound and flashing lights, notably without a vibration mode. This design choice is particularly effective in noisy environments like a bustling food court or a lively bar where a vibration might go unnoticed. The distinct audible and visual alerts ensure that customers are promptly notified, even amidst the background chatter and music. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to notification that prioritizes clarity and reliability. Setting up the TD157 system is designed to be intuitive, allowing businesses to integrate it into their operations quickly. Its robust build quality suggests it's made to withstand the rigors of daily commercial use, which is essential for any equipment in a fast-paced service industry. For food truck operators, the compact base station and durable pagers are ideal for mobile environments. Bars will appreciate the system's ability to manage orders efficiently, freeing up bartenders to focus on drink preparation. And for food courts, it's an indispensable tool for maintaining order and improving customer flow during peak hours. In essence, the Retekess TD157 restaurant pager system offers a powerful combination of capacity, range, and reliable notification. It's a smart investment for any establishment looking to enhance operational efficiency, reduce customer wait anxiety, and ultimately provide a smoother, more professional service experience. This system truly stands out as a practical and effective solution for modern food service challenges.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.